Adding extra baggage in Vistara slide is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add extra baggage in your Vistara slide. So for that you have to be at any of the browser, and in the browser you just have to be at their website, which is airvistara.com. As you guys can see, I'm at their homepage. Now here you just have to click on this search and type in, as you guys can see, it's already in baggages. So if I search for baggage, what it will do is it will take me to the new page, and you just have to click on this excess baggage or additional baggage. And now there you guys can see all the information regarding the extra baggage, for how much they will charge you for extra baggage. So you just have to read all of this to get the information about the extra baggage that you want to add. So now we have two scenarios. So the first scenario is you have not even booked the flight yet and you want to book a flight with extra baggage. Then this thing is pretty simple. You just start booking the flight. Well, in the process of booking, you'll also see an option for excess baggages or extra luggage. You just have to check that option, and then you have to add the amount of extra baggage that you are carrying. Now let's talk about the second scenario, that you have already booked the flight but now you want to add the extra baggage. So for that you just have to click on this manage my booking, and in manage your booking you just have to add the reference number and your last name, which they would have sent you by your email. You just need to check your email, find the reference number. You just need to type in the booking reference numbers and your last name, and you just have to click on submit, and then you will be able to edit your bookings. While editing the booking that you made, you can simply add the extra baggage by paying some extra money. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.